We're out with the Omni Terminator. I just had a 91 mile per hour run. And my GoPro died. It's the worst. Let's get it, y'all. No more talking. I didn't change out the battery. I think the front splitter definitely works. Oh boy. Let these people go by.
Out of range?
No.
Okay.
Nah, probably go about a mile.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Alright, let's let them get out of the way. Yeah. No, I heard a car. I like this spot because I can like hear the cars. Even like behind me, I can hear when a car is coming around that bend. That was scary. See if we get another one. That was scary. That thing was coming in for me. Got a car coming. I'll move down a little bit. Whew. Saw that thing? It's coming right for me. These guys doing 200, I don't know. A little bit of a bump there. I don't know if this battery is got 2 runs there. Let's see what we got. Lock that out. Stop. Read. 90. Oh boy, not bad. It's a 3S run. Let me show you that it's a 3S run. It just hit 91 before, but my GoPro died. Disappointing. So here you go. 3S pack. 4 wires. See that there? Yeah, I think should we do one more run maybe? Nah, keep it at that for now. This guy out there tagging me in his post, telling me that his Omni Terminator is 11 miles faster than his infraction. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know if that was it's a weird post. Yeah. Let's not talk about it. Let's be about it. Show the real numbers. That's a 3S run, 90. It's on camera. I know I hit 91 right before this, but let's get a 4S pack in here and see if we get a run and see what this thing does. Thank you. Bye.